In cooperation with DEPRAG, I'm presenting the screwdriving system in combination with the dress package from Igus and our LBR Easy. In developing our new LBR Easy series, we are drawing on 50 years of technology knowledge in robotics. So we have combined the strengths of our small robotics series and the LBR EVA series in our new system and makes it almost as fast as an industrial robot. The integrated joint force torque sensors make our cobots particularly easy to hand guide, allowing positions to be quickly adjusted and inserted. Our new intuitive KUKA operating system, KUKA OS, with its graphical user interface, is easy to understand for beginners and efficient to operate for experts. The powerful and flexible high-precision screwdriver from DEPRAG combined with the AST40 screwdriving controller enable free programming of the screw tightening process and offer maximum process reliability for safety-relevant screw connections. Within the performance range of the screwdriver, torques, speeds, waiting times and direction of rotation can be individually adapted to the screwdriving task. The integrated torque and rotation angle transducer ensures precise control of the screw tightening process as well as documentation of the screwdriving results and process parameters and guarantees maximum shut-off accuracy. In combination with our cobots, the system achieves a tightening force that can be used for up to M10 screws, which equals about 50 Newton-meters torque. Through the partnership with DEPRAG and Igus in the KUKA Robotic Republic, together we can offer you a perfectly coordinated solution.
Industrial intelligence.